Lucas, is there new carpet? Is there new carpet for you? Yes? There you go. There you go. Yeah, it's the kitty. It's the kitty. Kitty, get out of here. What are you doing? I see you. I see you.
Hi, buddy.
Big boy.
Hi, buddy. You want to crawl? You want to crawl over to Dad?
Yes.
Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Oh, going backwards. Come here. Oh, you're ready. Come on.
You're going to be in Kona's bed in about 1 minute.
Oh, no, Lucas. Where'd you go? Where'd you go, buddy? There you are. Hi. Come on.
He knows the camera. Lucas.
Come on, buddy.
I see you.
Come on. Come on.
Pull him forward because he's now on the dog bed.
Okay. Okay. Ready? Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. You're crawling backwards. Oh. Hey, you're like a turtle. Come on back over.
Oh.
Hi. Come on. Can you crawl? Can you crawl? Yeah, good job. Oh.
Oh. Cute.
Oh, no.
Tired.
Tired.
I'm tired. Lucas. Oh. Oh.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Look at this floppy sock.
I know.
Oh no.
Hi. What are you doing? You're
How'd you get all the way down there?
Oh, not Kona's bed.
I can hear Kona outside.
Yeah. Lucas, I see you in your little bulldog shirt. I see you.